Hi everybody and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to change background colors and to make a super clean selection. And without any more talking, we're going to get right into it. So you want to use this tool right here. And then instead of just like selecting whatever you want to select as you would probably usually do, you're just going to go on this button right here and it's going to select the motif or like the object for you. What I'm gonna do is actually reduce or remove this part in the middle because it didn't get that, but other than that this is perfect. And then we're gonna go here on mask, and as you can see I have the color red chosen here. You can choose any color that you want, but basically it's almost a perfect selection. And with this tool, with the second brush, I'm just gonna go over these little edges to make those perfect as well. Alright. And then what I like to do is to soften the edge just a tiny little bit. I usually go with 2 and then just press OK. And here you have your perfect selection. Now I'm gonna reverse the selection with Command Shift and I. So you can, as you can see, now the hand is selected and now the backdrop is selected. And I'm gonna create a new layer here, and with the fill tool, which is this one, I'm just gonna pick the color of this product right here. Let's fill the backdrop, deselect, and as you can see, here is a perfectly changed backdrop. You can lower the opacity a little bit, and yeah, it just looks absolutely perfect. It only takes a few seconds. And yeah, and because it is such a short tutorial, I'm gonna actually show you on another photo. Yeah, basically the same thing. Select this tool right here, click here. And then with this one, it's a little bit more complicated, so I'm gonna do a little bit more pre-selections. Zoom in here. Oh, and with Alt and Control, you can make this brush smaller or bigger. And if you have the Alt key pressed, then you can remove things from your selection. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna do the rest with the mask tool. So again, it's showing me the red backdrop, and I can just go into all those little corners and pieces that were not selected before. We're just gonna keep it at that. And again, just put 2 in. And down here, you want to have selection selected. And then press OK again. Let's create a new layer, reverse this, and let's pick a fun color. Let's do like bright pink. Yeah. And then fill this, and as you can see, it's almost perfect this time. In here, I didn't select it very well, but overall this looks really good. It's a super easy way to kind of spice up your studio images, because usually you just use like white backdrops or a wall or something. And if you don't want to change your backdrop every couple of shots or every couple of minutes, you can just change the backdrop in post-processing in Photoshop like this. So these are our 2 final images, and yeah, I think this looks really good. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and make sure to like this video so I can make more content like this, and so that I know what you guys enjoy most. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future videos. Bye!